Okay, so I start every video with okay.
Okay, so, alright.
Okay. Okay.
There we go. Speech class,
Alright,
start everything with alright.
Alright.
Alright, everybody, listen up.
Everybody listen up now. Okay, we got, it looks like we can get this bolt in, but maybe not the other. How's that?
It's got some play there.
See if you can get that back one.
Okay, where is that? That's
back there. You're gonna have to get it in by
into
hand.
that bracket there.
Yeah.
Now the box of bolts is over here.
Yeah, you need the motor mount
One of these chunky
bolt
monkeys.
box. The motor mount
these
bolt
chunky
box.
monkeys here. Yeah, I think it can go.
You think it'll go?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Get your hand out of the way so people can see where the bolt goes.
See how it's got a nice.
I see
it's
that.
a little crooked in there. Maybe it's not.
You want me to
quite
yank on the engine a little bit?
It might need to be shifted forward.
Forward. Yeah. That?
Let me take another look.
Forward. If you can't get that one, get the front
side
one.
to side, maybe.
Get the front one, maybe. Side to side. Careful not to damage the threads, okay?
Oh.
So you get it in there and then you pull it just a little bit. Just pull it just a little bit. Don't get crazy. Pull on it.
Oh, that's about right.
No, go more. Pull. Pull.
That
Now pull it out. Is it lined up?
seems pretty good.
Here, try this.
Give it another shot.
How's it feel? Now you know about pinch bars. Is it going straight?
I
know
got
what I
the
mean?
catch actually. Yeah, I think I got it.
Really? No kidding.
Yeah, we got it.
Here's a ratchet. Tighten it down there.
It's
There we
weird.
go.
It's like still spinning my hand. When we got it, we really got it.
Okay. It's good to know. I'll set you up with the torque wrench.
Okay, let's get the torque wrench from
Too long?
here. Should be good.
Should be good. Extremely long.
What we need. Set to the right torque. 20. What is this? 45.
Supposed to be at 45, yeah. 45.
Pretty close. Any minute now.
Hold on.
Got a couple of clicks. Should I have waited till it was a little more snug?
Yeah, go some more.
Let's see if it'll.
Or you know what? Do the other
the
ones
front
and then
one?
go back to it. Do all of them and then go back. Hold on, I'm gonna give you a hand.
Hang on a second.
Yeah, just hold on a second. Hold on. That was kind of weird. Felt kind of tight. It's all right. These got torqued already?
Nope.
Okay. Oh, goody.
So this one's kind of weird to get to. Maybe we should do without the extension.
Yeah, maybe a shorter extension.
What about the top one? That one's a different size, right? This top one in here. Is that a different size?
Yeah, it's a different size. Let's have this. That. Here you go. There you go.
Manageable.
Is that better?
Might still be
Might be too short.
too much to work with here. Or maybe no extension at all.
Need another extension?
Without any extension.
You don't need an extension.
This is the way to do this one.
Wrong. You're not gonna be able to grab it.
Not the way to go.
You're gonna have to go inside here. You have to go inside this hole here. Look through here.
That way.
Yeah. Here you need this. Make sure you get the wrench like right into your face when you pull on it.
Boom!
So if you go through here, see that?
Oh, there you go.
You do it.
Give it a spin. Don't want to go too hard.
There you go. That one's done. Now what else? You gotta get all those too?
Back one, the front one, this one. Is there this one still?
Yeah, do that one and the nut. That one and the nut. And then you got a 14 ball in a hole there.
Yeah. Oh, we need a deeper weld.
Deeper one of what?
First, like.
Okay. Well, you can do that one now. I'll get you a deep well.
There we go.
Okay, yank that socket. Save the socket.
Oh, this thing's gotten loose. Let's see. Make sure we're back at 45.
What? What?
I unlocked it by accident. Yeah, I keep unlocking this. Doesn't it?
It's alright. It's not critical. Well, I think our engine is officially in the car. I'm going to unhook the chain fall.
Is that all the torque ones?
Yeah, that's it for the motor mount. Now we got to put the exhaust manifold in. Are you ready for that?
Oh, I think so.
That's a job, dude. That is a job. J-O-B. Installation procedure.
We've got recording going.
Can you see me?
Let's see.
No.
Not quite.
Oh, okay. Well,
You can see the exhaust really well, though.
guess what? The exhaust manifold. I don't think there's room going from the front or from the. This came out through here, so I can go back in through here. If you know what I mean.
That's the scary part done. The scary part.
Are you rolling?
It's rolling.
Okay. Next I'm gonna have it drop on my face.
This is the part where it falls on his face.
Yep.
Usually you want to do this 2 or 3 times before you get the job done.
What did I do with the gasket? Oh, there's the gasket. I found it. I found it. Maybe, just maybe, I could use a light. Just maybe. Gasket on. Can you see me?
We can see the other end of the manifold.
You can't see me.
Not exactly.
Like a Cosentix commercial. Cosentix. See me!
You got this rope in the way here.
Get the rope out of the way, Joe.
I'm not digging the rope.
Cosentix. Oh. Alright. Now I just gotta do the easy part. Right, Joe? Just gotta do the easy part. Alright. It will go back together. I have no doubt. It's getting closer.
Mm-hmm.
You hear that squeaky noise?
Yep.
That means it's getting close.
It's a good sign.
Yeah, it's a good sign. Yeah. How's it look from up here? Bad, right?
Flanges are pretty close together.
I got the bolts.
Just about lined up.
Trying to figure out what the sticking point is. Is it one of these hoses? Is it the bolts? It could be the bolts. All right.
The gasket on there already?
Yep, gasket's on there. Need some gloves. This is not going to be good. Old one, jam the rust. It's like nap time for me. It's nap time, Joe. You don't know about nap time.
Take a moment to think.
Well, a lot of times you need to get in a position. You're not going to be able to move. You just kind of have to work like this. See? I'm just going to lay up here on top of the engine. That's what I call nap time. That's nap time. Because you're not going to be able to move. You might as well take a nap. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
The other one went way easier than this. The other one went way easier than this. Oh, there we go. Thank God for gloves, huh, Joe?
Yeah.
You want to know where my glove ended up?
How that?
In the hole.
Oh, damn. What, you gotten pinched real bad?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at it from below. So I'm all set. I got like 3 of the bolts.
Nice.
Which is weird because they should all line up.
Yeah. Once you have
Yeah.
2 or 3.
I'm gonna start a couple of nuts, just to be able to hold it, so it doesn't come back out. You see that? You see that nut I put on?
Just jumped right on.
Yeah. All right, now I'm gonna be able to move it. I'm gonna get a BFS.
Try and wedge it into place.
BFS. You know what a BFS is?
Big effing screwdriver.
Big
Try
effing
and
screwdriver.
work things into place.
The screwdriver's gonna do more damage than good. There we go. There, it's on. It's on, Joe.
It's game time!
Oh man, I wish I could celebrate right now. We have more to do.
It's one battle, a long war.
Now it's your turn, Joe. Now you gotta put the nuts on down there.
I'll go tighten it all up here for you. Let's see, maybe we'll put this back.
I'll keep doing the hard part here, Joe. I'll take it.